determine whether the function f of x is equal to 3x to the fifth plus 5x is an even function, an odd function, or neither. Now, first off, to test if it's an even function, we take a look at the function here. We have to see if it is an even function if f of x, the original function, is equal to f of negative x. F of negative x is basically saying that we're just going to plug in negative x anytime you see x. So here I wrote the original function on the left, I replaced it. On the right, I run the same thing, except you notice instead of x, I plugged in negative x. Now if I simplify the right side, negative x to the fifth power, well, if you raise a negative number to an odd power, you're going to get a negative number. So it's going to be negative x to the fifth. Then I kind of simplified it here. So negative 3x to the fifth. Then negative x times 5 is negative 5x. And you can see these two are not equal. So it is not an even function. Now, to test if it's an odd function, we have to say, well, f of negative x must be equal to negative f of x. And so we already found f of negative x, so I just brought it down. It's negative 3x to the fifth minus 5x. And on the right side, we have negative, and I subbed in f of x, the original function, negative 3x to the fifth plus 5x. And now if I simplify the right side, I apply the negative, or the negative 1, to both of these terms. So I get negative times 3x to the fifth and negative 5x. And you can see these two sides are equal. So this is an odd function. And you can actually check this graphically. An odd function is a function that has rotational symmetry, meaning if I rotated it 180 degrees, it would be the same. And you can see how this function, this is the function 3x to the fifth plus 5x. If I rotated it 180 degrees, like so, it would still be the same function.